Hello class, and welcome to my presentation about my home country, Austria. First, some basic information about Austria. The population is 8.8 million people. The size is about 84,000 square kilometers. And as you can see on the map, it's not very big. The capital city is Vienna. And some major industries are construction, electronics, automotive, chemical, steel, and mechanical engineering. But we have a lot more, but these are not like really major. So these are the major industries. And yeah. Now to the demographics. First, the languages. The official language nationwide in Austria is German. That's why around 89% speak German in Austria. We also have Turkish, Serbian, and Croatian. Serbia and Croatia are right beside Austria. That's why these languages are also really common in Austria. And people from Turkey really like to go to Austria because it's like a really nice country. And yeah, about the religion, we have 66% Roman Catholics. That's a lot. We also have 12% of people that have no religion. And we also have more Muslim people than Protestant people. I was really surprised by that because I am Protestant and my family is too, so that was really interesting for me, and maybe for you too. We also have this demographic about Austria. A lot of people are in their 50s, like we have the most people in Austria there that are like in their 50s or 60s right now, because of the baby boom in the times of Hitler. That explains that. And yeah, these people didn't get that many children, as you can see. Now to the major landmarks. We have a lot of great mountains where you can go skiing and hiking. I would really recommend you do that sometime because it's really awesome. We have small fairy tale villages like Hallstatt. It's like the village in the right top corner. Austria is also really known for great desserts, which I will explain later, and palaces and castles like in the left top corner, it's Palace Schönbrunn. Maybe you've heard of it. And there's also like a zoo right beside it. We have some famous people in Austria, but not a lot because it's quite small, as you saw on the map. But probably the most famous person is Arnold Schwarzenegger. He's an actor. Probably you know him. We also have Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. He was a really great musician and was really known. As a politician, we have Sebastian Kurz. He's really young. That's why he's like probably more known than other politicians. And he's doing his job really good. Dominic Thiem is a tennis player and he won a lot of games in the last few months or years. And he's also really young. So yeah, Marcel Hirscher is an alpine skier. He's also really known. He won literally everything in the last few years, but right now, like, he ended his career. That's really sad, but yeah. Now to the Austrian food. We have Wiener Schnitzel with a Kartoffelsalat. It's like deep fried veal with potato salad. What you can see in the right top corner. I saw it a couple of times here in Toronto. Maybe you've seen it too or eaten it, but it's like the most famous food in Austria. I really like it. It's pretty simple, but really good. As desserts, we have Apfelstrudel. It's like apple pie, like the right bottom corner. We also have Kaiserschmarrn. It's like fluffy caramelized pancake pieces with fruit compote. It's also really good. We Austrians, we love it. And it's pretty unique. Like, I've never seen that before anywhere else. And we also have Tafelspitz. It's like boiled beef with vegetables. I don't think it's that special or famous, but if you go to Austria, you should definitely try it. Now to the tourist attractions. We have the Spanish riding school in Vienna. It's like with all the white horses and good riders, horse riders, and like the building is really beautiful. I went there a few times and it's definitely worth a visit. We have the St. Stephen's Cathedral in Vienna. As you can see, it's a really great architecture, and it's on a big place where a lot of people gather and look at this cathedral. Lastly, we have the Vienna Hofburg, where a lot of people come there and look at it, and the architecture is really beautiful. As you can see, it's a really great palace. Hundreds of years ago, the Habsburgers lived there and reigned Austria. This was my presentation. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for listening. Maybe you will come to Austria sometime, or Vienna, and look at these beautiful places and try this food. Thank you.